Christmas is fun.
I love Christmas, especially in the snow.
No.
So what song do you want to sing a song with me?
Yes.
Mom said I had to let you sing it with me.
Or Santa doesn't bring you presents.
Yeah, it's what Mom said. So, okay, but you only sing the other parts, okay?
What other parts?
The ones I don't sing. Okay?
Okay.
We'll do
Jingle bells.
well, I wanted to, okay.
Jingle bells.
Okay, we'll start we'll start with the dashing through the snow part. Okay? And then you sing the other parts.
Other parts?
Yeah. The ones yeah. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Here we go. Dashing through no. The other parts. I'm singing that part. You sing the other parts.
Okay.
Dashing no. That's my part. Not shh. I don't know. Oh,
What about Mommy?
fine. I don't care.
Mommy!
No, okay. you can just let me sing this part and then you can sing the other part. Okay?
Okay.
Dashing through the snow. In a one-horse open sleigh.
Yay!
What are you? No, that's not how it goes. It's the other part.
There's other
No,
parts.
that's not the other part. That's not even a part.
Sure it is.
No. I'll start over. Dashing through the snow.
No.
And I'm gonna sew your lips together.
I'm gonna tell Mommy again.
You can't tell Mom if your lips are sewn together, so sheesh. Dashing through the snow, no, in a one-horse open sleigh. Don't do it. Over the fields we go, laughing all the way. That's, yeah, bells on bobtails ring, making spirits bright.
Right.
Yeah. Oh, what fun it is to, what?
Sing.
A sleighing song tonight. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Hey, that's not we, it's hey. Fine. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Oh, hey! Oh, gee, but yay! Yeah, is that fun?
That was fun.
That was fun. I like it too.
Yeah. Yeah, I love it.